Welcome back to Dinar Community, your trusted destination for accurate, insightful, and up-to-date news on the Iraqi Dinar IQD and Iraq's rapidly evolving financial sector. Whether you're a seasoned investor tracking currency trends, a local citizen seeking clarity on economic policies, or someone curious about Iraq's monetary reforms, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to deliver clear, factual, and detailed updates so you can make well-informed financial decisions related to the Iraqi dinar. Right now, Iraq is at a critical crossroads in its economic development, and staying current with these changes has never been more important. Today, we're zeroing in on what could be a game-changing moment, a highly speculated adjustment to the official exchange rate of the Iraqi dinar. According to reliable sources close to the matter, this potential shift could be formally announced as early as this Friday at 9:30 a.m. local time, a decision that could have far-reaching consequences for Iraq and beyond. Why Friday at 9:30 a.m.? Although Iraq's workweek typically runs Sunday through Thursday, Friday holds religious and cultural significance as a day of rest. However, major policy updates are sometimes strategically timed near the weekend to reduce immediate market volatility and provide institutions time to adjust. By making such announcements at the end of the workweek, the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) and other financial entities can better prepare for the transition without triggering knee-jerk reactions. It also gives international Forex markets a chance to stabilize before reopening, aiding global coordination. This strategic timing likely reflects the CBI's careful approach, aiming to avoid disruption while ensuring all systems, both domestic and international, are ready for potential change. Current exchange rate versus possible new rate. At present, Iraq's official exchange rate hovers around 1,310 Iraqi dinars to $1 United States dollar, a figure that has remained steady despite volatility in the unofficial or black market rate. However, trusted financial and government sources suggest that the CBI is seriously considering a revision, potentially lowering the rate to 1,100 Iraqi dinars per USD or even better. If implemented, this would be one of the most significant currency value changes in recent years. Why change the rate now? Several key motivations are driving this possible revaluation. 1. Closing the gap between official and black market rates, which has allowed for arbitrage and illegal trading practices. 2. Restoring public trust in Iraq's formal financial institutions by reducing reliance on the parallel market. 3. Supporting broader economic reforms, including moves toward a more digitized, modern banking infrastructure. 4. Strengthening the dinar, which could lead to lower inflation, increased purchasing power, and more affordable imports for the Iraqi people. Why is this the right time? A unique combination of internal reforms and external factors make this an opportune moment. Domestic reforms. Iraq is upgrading its banking sector, enforcing anti-money laundering laws, and tackling corruption. Strong reserves. Thanks to high oil revenues, Iraq has built robust foreign currency reserves. Global support. The IMF and World Bank continue to encourage Iraq to modernize its monetary policies in line with global standards. This alignment of factors provides Iraq with a rare chance to initiate deep financial reforms that could shape its economic destiny for decades to come. Impact on Iraqi citizens. For everyday Iraqis, a stronger dinar could translate into lower costs on imported goods such as food, medicine, and technology, offering immediate relief from years of inflation. A revalued currency could also enhance household budgets by stabilizing prices, encourage the use of formal banking services over informal or cash-based transactions, promote savings in dinar, reducing reliance on the US dollar and strengthening national pride in Iraq's financial system. For investors, what to know? If you currently hold Iraqi dinar or are considering an investment, this may be the most critical moment in years. A revaluation from 1,310 to 1,100 Iraqi dinars per USD would immediately increase the value of your holdings in US dollar terms. But with opportunity comes risk. Volatility is expected in the days following any official announcement. The currency could swing unpredictably as markets adjust, traders speculate, and liquidity conditions shift. Here's our advice. Don't act impulsively, wait for the market to stabilize. Stick to your long-term plan. Consult with a knowledgeable financial advisor who understands currency investing and international banking. Will the revaluation be gradual or sudden? The Central Bank of Iraq has not yet disclosed whether the change will be a one-time revaluation or a step-by-step adjustment over time. A gradual approach offers stability and time to evaluate impacts. A sharp, immediate revaluation would make headlines and show confidence in Iraq's economic independence. Reports suggest the CBI is weighing both strategies carefully, with guidance from domestic policymakers and international experts. Expert perspectives. We also spoke with prominent voices in the currency and finance space. MarkZ sees the revaluation as a strategic realignment, positioning Iraq as a strong player in global finance. Frank 26 believes this moment symbolizes an economic rebirth, Iraq stepping into sovereignty and shedding decades of dependence. Pimpy, while hopeful, advises caution, noting that geopolitical and political risks could still affect the pace and success of the reforms. The consensus: stay optimistic, but stay sharp. How to prepare. Here's how you can best navigate this potentially historic period. 1. Stay informed. Follow the CBI and trustworthy financial news outlets. 2. Have a clear exit strategy. Know if you'll hold long-term, sell, or reinvest. 3. Avoid emotional decisions. Let facts, not hype, guide your actions. 4. Be patient. This is a long-term process, and more reforms are likely to follow. The bigger picture. A new economic era for Iraq. Beyond the revaluation, Iraq is already moving forward with deeper reforms. New banknotes are in development with better anti-counterfeiting features. Digital banking systems are expanding to include mobile payments and blockchain security tools. Investment laws are being simplified to attract international capital. The message is clear: Iraq is preparing to take its place as a competitive, modern economy. Your turn. Share your voice. What do you believe the new exchange rate will be? Do you feel hopeful about Iraq's financial future, or do you have concerns? Let us know in the comments section below. We value your insights and look forward to hearing your thoughts. Right finger, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dinar Community for timely updates and expert analysis. As the situation evolves, we'll continue to bring you the latest developments with clarity and integrity. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay informed, stay ready, and stay confident. You're not alone on this journey. This is Dinar Community, and we're with you every step of the way. Like and subscribe for more videos.